Hey! Okay, waiting on Seven Sisters platform here for the last 1967 Victoria Line diagram train ever. After this, they won't be able to run anymore. Technology's not up to it, so let's wait. As you can see, I'm not alone. There's just been an announcement to say that the next train is the 67, so I'm hoping that it is. And after about 7:30 today, this will never happen again. Here she comes. Quite a nostalgic moment for me, both as a rail fan and as a Londoner, really. I've been on these trains since forever, so...
This weekend there are planned track closures on the Circle Line, District Line, Hammersmith and City Line, Metropolitan Line, Jubilee Line and Victoria Line.
A bit of London history.